Yesterday I went on a beautiful trip to nature. I didn't go far, just to camping ground on a hill. But when I arrived, everything felt different. The air was cooler, the wind was softer, and the world felt calmer in a beautiful way. On one side, I could see the mountain tall and calm. The other side, I see the city like star on the ground. That is like the city and the nature were sharing the sky. I brought my daughter. She's only 3 years old, but so excited. Walked around, touched everything, and asked everything she looked. The curiosity made the moment even more special. That moment realized me for something. The psychological said human or people connected with the nature. So actually we are like the nature. We want to go to the nature, but the difference, opportunity, knowledge, and change. Some people born near to the nature, some people not. Some people have a chance to go to the nature, but the other one cannot to try, because the nature reminds us something simple. Life is calmer, large, and more beautiful than we think.